Okay, the next research method is none other than Google. So you type in the passionate niche, and there sometimes you put funny. You don't have to put that, but what you do is click on images, and look at all these ideas. I just don't give a pug. A pug wearing sunglasses. Yeah, look, we saw that before, the lady pug. So someone's actually done it. That's pretty cool, huh? Exercise. I thought you said extra fries. So you got loads of ideas here. But another great thing about this, if you look in these tabs here, you can get really more specific. So, for example, because Christmas is coming up, now you can see funny Christmas pugs. So, Merry Pugmas, there you go. So you've got endless amount of ideas. You shouldn't be running out of ideas. But let's keep looking. Women's clothing. I don't know. But sometimes these tabs give you ideas and you can get lost into the rabbit holes and find more niche ideas. So dog lovers. That's actually my shirt. So I don't know what that's doing there. So yeah, you've got endless amounts of ideas. So try Google, put in your passionate niche, and there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now you can check out some of my products, which is merchautopilot.com. Merch Autopilot is a blueprint to help you with the outsourcing process. So when things get a bit hectic for you, you can go back to having a life again. My next product is merchcomplete.com. It's a pre-made design factory, so it's going to be optimized, trademark checked. So check it out and click in the description below for a free sample.